Hi everyone, this is Vipin from GooCampus and welcome to this video about our UK postgraduate consulting program. This program is something that we have built exclusively for doctors who are planning to move to the UK. So if you're not someone planning to doing so, then
bye-bye, tata, goodbye.
the UK PGCP program is a comprehensive package of services that covers everything you need to start working in the UK as a doctor. Everything in the sense from the right beginning of your English test until you complete your PLAB 2 and get into your first job in the UK, we will be there to guide you and assist you throughout the pathway. So we will be providing you with all the training and all the additional support that you require in order to complete your IELTS or OET, your PLAB 1 and PLAB 2 examinations. And the major reason why doctors choose GooCampus is majorly for the portfolio building activities that we provide. So that includes research education, paper publication, oral presentation, CPD events, audit and QAP, teaching experience, specialty courses, and so on. There is a link to the brochure of our program given below, so please do check out the link and download the brochures in order to know more about the program. Here are the 3 reasons why you should start your PLAB journey now. PLAB 1 slots are opening in November 18th. If you start now, all the things you need to complete align perfectly. IELTS, PLAB, ALS, research paper writing, CPD events, EPIC verification, visa documentations, and more. We are running a limited one-time discount of Rs 25,000 and for the first 25 doctors who enroll within October 25th. 25. We don't offer on discounts, so this is your best chance to grab the offer. We are coming to your city, Hyderabad, Kochi and Delhi to guide you on the UK PLAB pathway. This offline one-on-one counseling session is free. Yes, you heard that right. If you want to know about the UK PLAB pathway, this is your chance. Come down to Ibis Hotel in Hyderabad and Kochi on 21st or 22nd of October. In Delhi, we will see you on 28th, 29th and 30th of October in the same Ibis Hotel. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.